Welcome. The new Smart Air Hood Balancing Instrument, Series SAH by Dwyer Instruments, is a revolutionary technology designed to solve inaccuracy and inefficiencies currently seen in the test and balance HVAC tool market. As you can see, the product holds radical design advancements. The pitot arrays are arranged using Dwyer's quad flow technology. This eliminates back pressure placed on the system during measurements. By using this technology, it also enables the Smart Air Hood to retain accuracy regardless of the style of diffuser. Whether it's a ceiling or sidewall register, the pivoting pole mount allows you to ergonomically position the Smart Air Hood for almost any situation. The handheld will give the technician the directional capability to balance a branch. This can be done in the PredictAir application software through traditional proportional balancing or predictive balancing. We'll be using the predictive balancing process. It will provide us with the most efficient way possible to balance the system. Since the number of available registers is unlimited, the predictive balancing process will provide greater efficiency regardless of the branch complexity. Now let's begin. In this system, we have 4 registers. In our example, the diffuser styles all match. As you know, this isn't always the case. The application accommodates many different diffuser styles such as these. Normally, this would require the technician to manually configure the branch using pen and paper or a spreadsheet. The PredictAir application helps to automate this process. Before we begin the application setup, we need to re-zero the unit. For ceiling registers, we place the unit on the floor and cover to restrict the airflow to the pitot tube arrays. From the left menu, select Zero Smart Air Hood, then press 0. PredictAir allows the user to create a report including the job name, company, and any job-specific notes on a particular project. For each register, simply enter a unique name, then select diffuser type and the design flow target specified by the engineering plans. All the information is now entered. We can begin the balancing process. Begin by opening all the dampers to provide 100% airflow. Then make a full system sweep to get the total flow of the branch from all of the registers. To ensure accurate readings, you must select the register, then press again to lock in the initial reading. By selecting this twice, you help to eliminate false readings. We have finished our initial sweep of all the registers in this system. The initial readings have been recorded and entered into the PredictAir application. The application will give you prompts to balance the entire system in the most efficient way possible. Internally, it does this by calculating the constant flow resistance in the system and predicting how each damper adjustment will affect the entire system. The application has automatically determined the register with the lowest percentage of design flow, or the key. Next, we're going to follow the prompts to balance the system. For this setup, the PredictAir application is telling us to adjust the register we've named R4 to target 110 cubic feet per minute. Now we can simply take the handheld with us, making the damper adjustment while the Smart Air Hood remains in place. Once the adjustment has matched the target flow, the PredictAir application tells us the register to adjust next. Note that the application requires a long press on each reading to make sure our selections are intentional. This limits errors in the balancing process and final tab report. Follow the prompts and adjust the remaining non-key registers. Once the adjustments have been made, follow the prompts to verify the register readings are matching the system prediction. At this point in the balancing process, we've completed all of the necessary adjustments and have taken readings similar to the end of the proportional balancing process. However, the total flow is less than the total design cubic feet per minute. The application is asking us to change the fan speed or adjust the VAV to within specification. With the Smart Air Hood left in place, remove the handheld from the pole, then make the adjustments to the fan speed or VAV. 200 yards of range allows us to make our adjustments while reading the register in real time. Now we have met all of our design requirements for this branch. Our on-screen report indicates that we are within 2% of design flow. The report can be exported via email or saved to a file and imported into a tab reporting tool at a later time. The Smart Air Hood balancing instrument with Predict Air application software will cut your balancing time in half while providing accurate and rapid results.